Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We've basically got an unboxing of 3 packages here. One which is going to be our install. Another which would be considered a Facebook find. And then the third which would be from Chevy Truck Legends. If you haven't signed up for Chevy Truck Legends, highly suggest that you kind of randomly in the mail you get kind of cool stuff. Koozies, stickers, shit like that. Let's see here. I don't have anything available right now, but first things first, we're going to start out with is let's go with the Truck Legends. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this really quick here, and then we're going to get into what I got from DMAX Store, why I got it. I have no clue what this is. I haven't actually even seen anybody. Okay, we actually need an umbrella, so what? It's so random. This is so, so random. Let's see, what's it look like? Okay. Is it a nice umbrella? I don't know. So far, no. How do you operate this kind of umbrella? Oh, it's a button. No way. Oh, what? Okay, so it's just labeled with like Chevy HD Silverado Truck Legends. And it's got Chevy Truck Legends right there. And it's got this cool button. Close it up. Hit the button. Fucking Mary Poppins that shit. That is badass. What? Chevy Truck Legends. If you haven't signed up for it, I'd sign up for it. It's pretty simple. It's on Chevy's website. So, boom. That's pretty freaking sweet. Like I said, we need an umbrella. This is coolest. This is the coolest thing that they've sent so far. This is pretty freaking cool. I'm not gonna lie. Usually it's just been kind of some quirky, corny bullshit. But this is actually very useful and cool, especially because we go to a lot of events in the summertime. Thank you. All right, next we're going to move on to is the good old-fashioned Facebook find. I was a little skeptical. I don't remember how much this costed. It was not cheap. Didn't know where it was coming from. Turns out it came from Canada. I was a little skeptical of this because after I purchased it, because it was like a Facebook ad, after I purchased it, I started reading into reviews, and people were like, oh, I didn't get my stuff for months, I didn't get my stuff for 4 months, and then I got the wrong stuff, yada, 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 this sucks, this magnet sucks, and all this kind of stuff. But this is from toolboxemblems.com. And what it is basically fancy toolbox labels. Let's see here. So I got, cool, they left me my prices for me. So I got 5 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $26 for all 5 of them. For 5 of them, it's $26. I bought 2 sets of 5. So yeah, pretty cool, and these are magnetic, so I'm going to stick them on my toolbox right now, show you guys this. Again, we got this from toolboxemblems.com. Alright, so again, you guys are kind of crooked here, I don't know how it's going to look. These have magnets on the back of them, and some of the reviews said these magnets kind of suck. That's pretty good to me. So, I don't know what they were talking about. If these magnets don't last long, I can take these off because they're just on there with like some sticky back. Take these off, put stronger magnets on there. I like the magnets in case I rearrange my toolbox, and that's why I went with the magnets. So pretty freaking happy with what I purchased realistically right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these on and show you what my toolbox looks like before and after. And I really need to upgrade my toolbox, to be honest with you. This thing is just too small at this point, and I think it's time to upgrade. Forgot to apologize, you guys. I just cut the grass, so sorry about all this. But this is what it looks like before. Brunt here, crocodile cloth. Link in the description below for you for crocodile cloth. Fellow subscriber here who sent out his company logo, which is awesome. Amsoil, and then we got a bunch of stuff up here you can take a look at. But we're gonna go ahead now and throw this together. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and close this. Right away I started with sockets on top. It was the best kind of place to put it because I have my sockets on top here. And then we've got our wrenches, our screwdrivers, our ratchets, our pry bars and torque wrenches. We've got miscellaneous pliers, electrical, power tools, and my favorite one, random shit. If I was to be fully honest with you guys, I'm pretty happy that I purchased this. I like it. I guess it kind of modernizes my Craftsman toolbox. Here, shout out to what is this company called? ToolboxEmblems.com. Shout out to them for the product that they make. I'm happy with it. Magnets are kind of weak. They're not bad. They hold. Let me just test it real quick here. So, I mean, I'm not going to beat on my drawers any more than that, so pretty happy with it. All right, so like I said, I'll link below that for you guys. Maybe I'll also, I don't know, link below the sign up for Chevy Truck Legends. I think it applies to GMC owners as well. I don't 100% know. I can't remember. But anyways, the box we've all been, oh, fuck, piece of grass. The box we've all been waiting for. Good old DMAX Store coming in with this one. This is going to be the install for this week, you guys. So I'm going to install it this week, which there'll be the install on Wednesday. It'll be a straight install video. Won't be anything else. No bullshit. No nothing aside. That's why I like doing these videos. I like doing the unbox video. I like to do the straight install. And then after the install, I'm going to have a third video where I'm going to talk about what I did during the install, things maybe I would change or what I would suggest, as well as my opinions on the product. So this, oh my goodness. Packaging peanuts. Every time. Ah, you guys. DMAX Store. Boys. You guys are killing me with these. Ooh, check this shit. Oh, that is a sticker. Big fan of that sticker. Big fan. Nice sticker. Put that in my random shit drawer. Da 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 da. Packaging peanuts. Oh, anything else in here? Oh, that's right. Kind of need that. Alright, so if you see here, we've got ourselves a lube locker premium gasket. And again, I'll talk about why I got gasket, not gasket maker. But here you go, you guys. We've got a PPE oil pan. PPE rear diff cover. Again, I'll talk about exactly why I went with PPE. I'll talk about exactly, you know, the reasons why I ended up going with an aftermarket diff cover. But in a second here, when you see this, you'll see why I went with it. Now, I know Banks has got all his research out there, and they're great covers, and I 100% understand that, and I take nothing away from Banks, but I think for over $400, that's not going to happen. You can tell by my reaction, this is the wrong rear diff cover. This is not the right rear diff cover that I ordered. Huh. So this is the rear diff cover from PPE, which is fine. It's the flat back style, which I'm not a fan of, and I did not order that for various reasons that I'm sure you guys know just as much as I do. The one I ordered was supposed to be this style. So you have this style, which is what you can see here. The reason why I ordered it is because it has the channel in here for your ring gear to spit up fluid properly instead of hitting the back of the diff cover like the flat ones do and then not be able to kick back up. This one hits and kicks back up. But this is not the right diff cover. This is at first for me. So I'm going to contact DMAX Store. You guys are going to firsthand see the customer service here with me of DMAX Store. They've always been great to me. So I'm going to expect nothing less from great customer service. I'm sure they'll get it fixed for me. So yeah, this is not how this video is going to go. So hopefully we can get this fixed. And maybe we'll have to plan for something else for Wednesday here. And hopefully they can get us out the proper diff cover here shortly. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hang tight for the next one. This should be interesting. Alright, to be honest with you guys, I literally just sent them a message Sunday morning. Now I got the sweatshirt off because it's freaking, the sun's out now and it's a lot better out than before. But anyways, just sent DMAX Store a message Sunday afternoon and they got back to me immediately. I don't recommend emailing companies on Sunday afternoon. I just sent them a message just because I kind of wanted just to give them a heads up for Monday morning so that they would see it right away. But they saw it, and right away Monday morning they're going to send out the proper rear diff cover, and they're going to send me they're going to get my return label sent to me so I can return that one. That's service. That's unbelievable. I haven't had an issue with DMAX Store until recently here, and I wouldn't even call it an issue because they're gonna resolve it so quickly for me. That's why I ordered from them. So shout out to DMAX Store. Thank you.